Have you ever wondered how people are selling on Jumia and getting orders while sleeping? Maybe you have products at home, or you're planning to start a small business, but you don't know how to put your products online. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to place your products on Jumia for sale, even if you're a complete beginner and you have never sold anything online before. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open a Jumia seller account, upload your products, price them correctly, and start receiving orders. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share common mistakes new sellers make that can stop your products from selling. So, if this is your first time here, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss business and money making videos like this. Part 1. What is Jumia and why sell on Jumia? Jumia is one of the biggest online marketplaces in Africa, especially here in Nigeria. Think of Jumia like a big online market where millions of buyers come every day to search for products. Instead of renting a physical shop, Jumia allows you to list your products online and sell to customers across different states in Nigeria. Some benefits of selling on Jumia include: you don't need a physical shop. You can reach customers nationwide. Jumia helps with delivery and logistics. You can start with small capital. Part 2. What you need before selling on Jumia. Before you start, make sure you have the following: a smartphone or laptop with internet, a valid email address, a phone number, a bank account for payments. Products you want to sell, physical products. That's all. You don't need any special connection or big money to start. Part 3. How to create a Jumia seller account. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Jumia Seller Center Nigeria. Click on the official Jumia Seller Center website. You'll see a button that says, Start Selling, or, Register. Click on it. Now, fill in your details. Business name, this can be your personal name or brand name. Email address, phone number, password. After that, Jumia will ask you to complete your seller profile. This includes your pickup address, your bank account details, your business information. Make sure all details are correct because this is where Jumia will send your money. Part 4. How to add or upload products on Jumia. After registration, log into your Seller Center dashboard. On the dashboard, look for Add Product or Create Product and click on it. Step 1. Choose the correct product category. For example, phones and accessories, fashion, home appliances, groceries. Step 2. Enter your product name. Make it clear and searchable. Example, men's leather wristwatch, black. Step 3. Upload clear product pictures. Use bright light, white or clean background. Show different angles. Step 4. Write a good product description. Explain what the product is, size, color, material, benefits to the buyer. Step 5. Set your price and quantity. Make sure your price can cover cost of the product, Jumia commission, profit. Part 5. Pricing and commission on Jumia. Jumia charges a commission on each product sold, and this commission depends on the category. Before pricing your product, check what other sellers are selling the same product for. Don't price too high, don't price too low to avoid losses. Smart pricing increases your chances of getting more orders. Part 6. Delivery and order process. Once a customer orders your product, Jumia will notify you on your seller center. You'll prepare the product, package it properly, and Jumia will arrange pickup or drop-off depending on your location. Jumia handles the delivery to the customer, so you don't need to chase buyers yourself. Part 7. Common mistakes new sellers make. Many new sellers fail because they upload blurry pictures, set wrong prices, ignore orders, upload fake or poor quality products. If you want to succeed, always be honest with product description, deliver on time, respond quickly. Conclusion and motivation. Selling on Jumia is not magic, but it's a real business opportunity. If you're consistent, patient, and serious, Jumia can become a strong source of income for you. Start small, learn the system, and grow with time. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comment section. I read and reply to them. And if you want more videos on online business, money, and income ideas, stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.